Exploring Japan, a simple English conversation about bullet train travel. Hi Annabelle, have you ever traveled on a bullet train in Japan?
Yes, I have. It was such a fast and smooth ride. Have you been on one?
No, I haven't, but I really want to try it. How fast does it go?
It can go up to 320 kilometers per hour. You barely feel the speed because the ride is so smooth.
Wow, that's amazing. Where did you travel to on the train?
I went from Tokyo to Kyoto. It only took about 2.5 hours. Normally, by car, it would take much longer.
That's very fast. Did you get to see anything interesting from the train?
Yes, the view was beautiful. You can see mountains, rivers, and small towns as you travel. It's a great way to see Japan.
That sounds fantastic. Is it expensive to travel by bullet train?
It's a bit more expensive than regular trains, but it's worth it for the time you save. Plus, it's very comfortable.
That makes sense. I heard the seats are really nice. Is that true?
Yes, they are. The seats are spacious, and you can recline them to relax. There is also plenty of legroom.
That's great. Do they have food on the train?
Yes, they have food carts with snacks and drinks. You can buy sandwiches, sushi, and even coffee.
I didn't know that. It sounds like a very convenient way to travel. Did you enjoy the whole experience?
Definitely. It was one of the best parts of my trip to Japan. I think you should try it if you ever go.
I will. It sounds amazing. Thanks for telling me about it, Annabelle.
You're welcome, George. I hope you get to enjoy a bullet train ride soon.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi, George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.
How do you feel when you get a good grade? I feel very happy when I get a good grade. What do you do in your free time at school? I read books in my free time. Who is your favorite classmate? My favorite classmate is Oscar. What time do you arrive at school? I arrive at school at 8:15 a.m. Do you enjoy learning new things? Yes, I enjoy learning new things. What do you bring for lunch? I bring a sandwich and a juice box. Where is your locker? My locker is near the gym. What is the first subject you study in the morning? The first subject I study is English. Do you have any pets at school? No, we don't have any pets at school. What do you do during school assemblies? We listen to the principal and sing songs. Who helps you when you don't understand something? My teacher helps me when I don't understand. How do you prepare for school every morning? I get dressed, eat breakfast, and pack my bag. What do you wear to school? I wear my school uniform. Do you have friends in other classes? Yes, I have friends in other classes. What do you do when you finish your work early? I read a book or draw pictures. Who teaches you how to write? My teacher teaches me how to write. What is your favorite thing to do after school? My favorite thing to do is play outside. Do you go to after-school programs? Yes, I go to art club after school. How do you feel about your teachers? I like my teachers very much. Where do you go after school? I go home after school. Do you eat breakfast before school? Yes, I eat breakfast before school. Who helps you get ready for school? My mom helps me get ready for school. What do you study in history class? We study ancient civilizations. What do you bring to class every day? I bring my notebook and pencil. Do you have any exams this week? Yes, I have an English exam on Friday. What do you learn in science class? I learn about plants and animals. Where is the principal's office? The principal's office is next to the library. Do you play any sports at school? Yes, I play basketball. Who is your math teacher? My math teacher is Mr. Lee. What is your favorite school activity? My favorite school activity is reading. Do you enjoy school? Yes, I enjoy school very much. What do you do during PE class? I play soccer during PE class. How many classes do you have today? I have 6 classes today. Who is your history teacher? My history teacher is Mrs. White. Where do you sit in class? I sit near the window. What is the name of your English textbook? The name of my English textbook is English for Beginners. Do you have a school bag? Yes, I have a red school bag. How do you prepare for a test? I study my notes and do practice problems. What do you do during lunch break? I eat lunch and talk with my friends. Who is your best friend at school? My best friend is Nancy. What time do you wake up for school? I wake up at 7 a.m. for school. Do you go to school on Saturdays? No, I don't go to school on Saturdays. What do you do if you don't understand a lesson? I ask the teacher for help. Where do you do your homework? I do my homework at home. Do you have a computer in your classroom? Yes, we have a computer in our classroom. How do you feel about school? I feel happy about school. What is your favorite day of the school week? My favorite day is Friday. Who helps you with your homework? My mom helps me with my homework. Do you have art supplies in your school bag? Yes, I have colored pencils and a sketchbook. What do you do in music class? I learn to play the recorder. Ink Talks, a heartfelt conversation at the tattoo parlor. Hello, Bianca. Welcome to my tattoo parlor. How can I help you today?
Hi, Charles. I've been thinking about getting my first tattoo for a while now. I'm excited but also a bit nervous.
It's normal to feel that way. Do you have any ideas in mind for your tattoo?
Yes, I want something that symbolizes love and happiness. I was thinking about a heart.
A heart is a beautiful choice. It's a symbol that can carry a lot of personal meaning. Where were you thinking of placing it?
I want it on my wrist, so I can see it every day and remind myself of the love and happiness in my life.
That's a lovely spot. What size are you considering?
Not too big. I want it subtle, about the size of a coin.
Got it. Now, about the design, do you prefer a simple outline or something more detailed?
I like the idea of a simple outline. I think there's beauty in simplicity.
Perfect. Let's talk about the tattooing process. Are you familiar with how it works?
Not really. This is all new to me.
No worries, I'll walk you through it. First, I'll sketch the design for your approval. Then, I'll prepare the area on your wrist and start tattooing. The whole process for a small tattoo like yours shouldn't take too long.
Does it hurt?
There's a bit of discomfort, but it's manageable. I'll make sure you're as comfortable as possible.
That's reassuring. How do I take care of it afterward?
Aftercare is important. You'll need to keep it clean and moisturized, and avoid soaking it in water for a few weeks. I'll give you a detailed aftercare sheet to take home.
Thank you, Charles. I feel better knowing all this.
You're welcome. It's important to me that you feel comfortable and informed. Now, are you ready to take a look at some heart designs I have?
Yes, I'm excited to see them.
Here are a few designs. We can modify any of these to your liking or combine elements from different ones.
I love this one, but can we add a small flourish to it?
Absolutely, that's a great idea. It will personalize it a bit more. Let me sketch that for you.
That looks amazing, Charles. It's exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad you like it. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, let's do it.
Alright, just relax. You're in good hands. Let's create something beautiful together.
I trust you. Thank you, Charles.